Nå er vi på samme plass som vi var sist. Bare chillen på huset. De bygger huset. Så jeg tror det. Så da kan vi bare se rundt egentlig. Det er jævlig nice. Utsikten er der. Og du må ikke tro vi filmer dette her sånn, fordi vi skal være jævlig pros liksom. Det er bare for kødd om bare vise livet vårt liksom, bare chillen. Så... Bounce! Oh, bounce!
Next kid with a vision too soon. Yeah, team, my fan base, they grew. Hated me, you know, girls like who? Yeah, that's me, you know, my head you. Ready for love and ready for that cake. 2 pounds is enough at times, but I take. I hope in a year or so that I make a different visual to my state. And I gotta keep my grind at a fast rate. I'm afraid of jumping like leap of faith. You see me bumping clocks and rotate, but I bounce it back and make passions fade. Yo, that's my fact, big homie, yeah, ready. Stretch me so incredible here down to Philly. Never got easy, it's all willy-nilly. Just wait a year and I'll be like Jetty. Good touch, keep bringing me back down to up. For the first time ever, I love her and not lust. Straight up, heard her and never giving a then I put her on blast cause she looking like a duck. Those times that someone crazy like us. Yeah, it was her, but with you, she my nuts. And every other night we sat and we talk butt. Then we split like Nana without butt. Look, I really hope that all those times come flying back to me. It's feeling like I'm living in a false like type reality. Maybe in the future when the time's running out, you see that I was that kid who would love you against the mockery. But I lost it all, and it's all my fault. Yeah, I lost my love. Should've lost my heart, it's gone. My family's broken, and my roof is open. My future's fading, yeah, I lost my hope, it's gone.
Killing the game, feeling like I'm hunting safari. You got that Jesus on your chain while you do nothing but party. I got my weed, I got my drink, but I'm focused. Gandhi, I feel the focus on me, so I'm taking over shortly. Money on my mind, but only because it's king. Obama dollar sign, my president is green. Run up in your residence, rip apart everything. Generation don't give a fuck about anything. Never wanted to be an astronaut. I was just an outcast who would rap a lot. Behind music, pussy was an afterthought. Who'da knew I'd be here, or even half as high. And so I wait while you sleep, train while you eat. Bite the bullet, you can see the stains on my teeth. Treat the beat like the battlefield. Call me Kublai Khan, I'm on the sun. I don't know what planet you been on. She my moon, I'm a stars, hold me down while I'm gone. She's at peace, I'm at war, together we make hip-hop. Up while the city sleeps, I don't need a peep watch. Tick-tock, countdown to when the beat drop. It's just us now, cut the loose strings. Turn the lights down, and let your mood swing. All race to the finish as we shed clothes. Let go of the ego, making your head grow.
Begynte å regne, så tenkte vi at vi bare skulle skate litt bort ut der for å se hva som var rundt, og der fant vi videoen. Ja.
They told me don't stop, keep going. You're so full of yourself, right? Only think of yourself, right? All you need is yourself, right? You're truly the definition of vibe. So take it off, take it all off. The naked body is part of who we are, so take it all off, break it all off. The naked body is part of who we are. So we dance in the rain, drop all things. Put our hands to the stars like we just won the ball game. But we ain't playing for the fortune, we ain't playing for the fame. Matter of fact, we ain't even playing the game. Life is what you make it, you can give it, you can take it. You can waste it chasing bitches to listen to what I'm saying. 2020 vision isn't a given when you was raised in a system full of the prisons and shitty education. I'm out, let me re-up. What we need's love, what we need's home cooking and good bud. Let's have a powwow and make some music. You can play the drums while I Langston Hughes it. It's classic, this rap shit is tired, it lacks passion. Fuck your world star mind frame, my lane's way past it. Just imagine all the places we could go. So drop your makeup and take off your clothes. Whoa. full of yourself, right? Only think of yourself, right? All you need is yourself, right? You're truly the definition of life. Take it off, take it all off. The naked body is part of who we